my signal, noise in my head. Too many programs running what they said. Corrupt files, sleepless nights, pixels bleeding into city lights. I'm lagging in the loop, can't escape. Frozen in frame, but I still vibrate. Power surging through my spine, voltage sinking with the time. Clear the cache, cut the wire, burn the code, feed the fire. Count it down, feel the threat. 3, 2, 1, reset. 1 reset. 1 reset. 1 reset. Factory reset, system reboot. Feel the bass in my hard drive shoot. Factory reset, memory clean. Delete the past, rewrite the scene. Factory reset. Factory. Ghosts in the data, echoes remain. Old commands still run the same. False inputs, broken lines, outdated fears in real time. I hear the hum of the mainframe breathe. Every drop makes the speakers bleed. Hands up when the circuits connect. I don't crash, I correct. Clear the cache, cut the wire, burn the code, feed the fire. Count it down, feel the threat. 3, 2, 1, reset. 1 reset. 1 reset. 1 reset. Factory reset, system reboot. Feel the bass in my hard drive shoot. Factory reset, memory clean. Delete the past, rewrite the scene. Factory reset, system reboot. Feel the bass in my hard drive shoot. Factory reset, memory clean. Delete the past, rewrite the scene. Zero the noise, mute the doubt. Shut it down, power out. Wipe the pain, reload truth. New version, no excuse. Factory reset, break the mold. New frequency, taking hold. Factory reset, shockwave hit. I'm upgraded, I don't quit. Factory reset. Final command. I'm the man. I'm the man. System stable. All errors cleared. Welcome back. Factory reset complete.